big
I had
sign.
one of them.
Yeah, Chinese.
I've got apple now.
Oh, I won't touch an apple.
I wanted some control in an apple.
Oh, don't like the
I've had the pads, I've had everything, but I've never had a phone. I prefer Android, you
The
can do
apple
more
pad
with
is
it.
fine, but
Yeah.
anything more than that, I
A
won't.
phone, it controls your music. They've got a thing called Genius that arranges your music and you can't find anything.
I don't know, I could use it just for texting games and camera.
Yeah, yeah.
Like I said, I've only got the one camera on mine, so it's not really brilliant pictures.
All right, I've got about 3 on mine.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was supposed to be upgrading in April, and I was worried if I come to renew and I get it nicked. So I thought I'd leave it, and then I've come in and I thought,
so
you
guys,
know, more
now
like going to get nicked and leave.
we are waiting
Probably.
5 more
Yeah.
minutes here.
I found
Then
them so
we will
chilled.
move from
Other
here
than
to okay.
the vehicle next to us
Yeah.
yesterday, other than that, I found most
In
of them.
Paynton now, you've got to be really careful, haven't you? The police I read yesterday, our next door neighbour, Colin.